Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna draw from imagination, as you can see in the thumbnail. So, you can draw well by looking at references, but the moment you try to draw from imagination, your mind goes blank. Am I right? Yeah, I have been there too. Drawing from imagination is not magic, it is just a skill that you have to learn. That's it. And I'll try to help you take the first step in imagination drawing. Most beginner thinks that professional artists just imagine everything and draw perfectly. That's not true. Even the best artists don't draw from pure imagination. They draw from memory plus understanding plus practice. First thing first, if you want to draw from imagination, you need to feed your brain first. Start observing everything in your surrounding like nature, trees, car, human anatomy, lightning, shadow, shapes, etc. Don't just see, try to understand or ask question from yourself like why the light hits here, why this shadow creates, why this object shines too much. There's too much specular on this object, but the other have matte finish and observing everything. These kind of questions just helps you to simplify the answers, simplify the things. When you start simplifying these things, your brain start remembering the basic things, and you only need basic to draw complex art. After that, you need certain process to execute your imagination on drawing sheet. So whatever I'm drawing here is totally from imagination, but it's not like I'm not checking any type of references before drawing this. I'll show you my process to give some ideas. And when I'm saying my process, it doesn't mean I developed this process. I also learned from somewhere. I learned from my master, Dilip Chaube sir. He is a living legend in my opinion. So before coming to this step, this sketch, I already did some basic research. So you have to follow few steps to execute your idea on paper. So step 1, write down your ideas on paper. First thing you have to do, just write down whatever comes in your mind, just write down. And then step 2, do some basic research like here in this art, what I'm doing. I just did some few research like how Indian woman looks like, how sari look like, what kind of arms they carry that period of time in Asian period. So these kind of basic things you have to just research, and these things just makes your idea more clear. And then go to step 3, look for some references, whatever available in Google, just look at them related to your idea. I'll pin few of my research here to give you some idea. And then execute in thumbnails, do some small thumbnails, and then select one and finalize it. That's it, your sketch is done. Then it depends on you how you gonna approach it, traditionally or digitally. I'm going to use digital method because there will still be many changes back and forth, and digital medium gives the freedom to redo the artwork. So after finalizing my sketch, I am going to use Procreate so I can turn this idea of sketch into complete illustration. I'll do my full inking and coloring process digitally in Procreate.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes.
So if you want or willing to create your own artwork, your own IP, then you have to go through this process where you think first, sketch it and finalize it digitally. Moving to Procreate, I almost completed my inking using the brush called this. So this video is all about drawing from imagination and inking. So the part 1 of this video is completed. I'll upload part 2 soon where I'll show how to color and make it your illustration final. Thank you.